Good morning. I am Reshma. To continue with our poem Break, Break, Break for the class BA B.Ed second year, paper 2, unit 3, written by Lord Alfred Tennyson. This was a poem written after Alfred Tennyson lost his friend Henry Hallam. So, the poem explains his feelings of isolation and impermanence, and this is clearly seen in all the four stanzas of the poem. Coming to the explanation of the fourth stanza, in the first stanza, we had seen how the poet explains his feelings when he sees the sea is coming again, or the waves of the sea are coming again and again, hitting the stones. He says the waves are coming and hitting the stones again, but here nobody is going to come back again. In the second stanza, he sees a brother and sister and the sailor and his boat in a joyous and fulfilled moods, and again he is lost in the pain. In the third stanza, he sees the stately ships which are moving either to their ports or towards the horizon, and again he says everything is vacant and I am left with a vanished hand and the voice that is left still. He says now no more hands to touch, no more voice to hear. So coming to the fourth stanza, he hears the breaking waves on the walls of the rocks each time. But again he says there is no return of the dead. It is just recurring of the pain of loss. It means once who is dead, they will not return. It is only the pain of loss the others have to face. He asks again and again, why? Somebody should speak up. Why? Why act? The poet's realization of the fruitlessness of action draws the reader's attention, or it draws our attention towards the fruitlessness too. We also feel that why the rocks cannot move against the waves, or why the waves cannot cross the rocks, and why these actions are repeated again and again without any choice. Here this scene evokes the sense of inevitability and hopelessness. With the feelings, there could be the more loss of romantic relationships which is seen, for there is no hope for the return of the one who was lost. Without death, there is no hope for the opportunity to connect the hill to the mounded grave. And he says the day is dead and so here it is a weaker metaphor. The day is dead. It is used as a weaker metaphor. Now coming to so this is all about the poem Break, Break, Break. It is just in 4 stanzas. He is explaining his feelings of loneliness, isolation, deep pain, sorrow, loss. So the main theme of the poem is loss and impermanence. He says nothing is permanent. The fleeting nature of life is deeply troubling. He says the nature of life is deeply troubling. The speaker is mourning is grieving or crying on someone's death, that is his friend's death, and he is forced to face the fact that this person will never return. He knows, and he is forced to face the fact that this person will never return. Although the poem does not clarify, in the end, or even after reading the poem, we cannot justify or we cannot clarify the circumstances of the speaker's loss. But it is clear that he has thoroughly unsettled the speaker. The speaker is unsettled even after the poem, and he cannot even stare out at the ocean without feeling or without having a knowledge that everything in life eventually comes to an end. So life eventually or ultimately everything in life has to come to an end. But even after reading the poem or even after coming to the end of the poem, we cannot understand. The speaker, he calls out to the waves and says they show the feelings of easy happiness of the previous days which are never going to return again. Next, like similarly, when he sees the brother and sister playing, he says nothing is permanent, everything is impermanent. So this is what the poet is feeling. He expresses a lot of tension, or there is a tension between the internal and the external world. That is, internal world is his internal feelings, and the external world outside the seashore or whatever he is seeing. He is calling the stones cold and grey, and differently he is using some words, expressing them in a different way just to show his grief. So this is all about the poem and the theme break. Thank you.